Very good morning to all of you children. Okay children, tell me what is your project? Yes, your project is insects. So today in your insect project we will make this ladybird. Okay, your craft. Okay, let us start the video. Okay children, let us start making that beautiful ladybird. Okay, so let us discuss the things required. You need two sheets, one of black color and one of red color. This sheet you can take it out from your scrapbook children. Okay, and you need is the scissors, pencil, earbud, okay, one earbud, and see googly eyes you need. Okay, this is small size googly eyes you need. Okay, which you can take out from your craft material things. Okay, and this sellotape roll I have taken it because I have to draw the circle. Okay, for the smaller circle I have taken sellotape roll, and for the bigger circle I have taken the bangle. And you can take any circular thing which is there at your hand. And you need the black color and this Fevicol or glue. I have taken glue, you can use anything. Okay, now let's start. So children, the very first thing you will do, you will take this red sheet. Okay, now what you will do, you will fold it. Okay, it is colored from both the sides. Now you will take the bangle, you will keep at the corner of this, and you will make a mark, circle. Okay, like this. See children, mark is there. Now what you will do, with the help of scissors you will cut it. Okay, now cut it very carefully, be careful. Okay children, while handling the scissors. Okay, like this, cut it. Now children, we have got two circles. Okay, as we have folded that sheet. Okay, now keep it aside. Now black. The same thing you will do with the bangle, but this time you will not fold the page because we need only one circle of black color. Okay, one big circle and one small circle. So here I have drawn one big circle and here I have drawn the small circle. Okay. Okay children, now we have got two circles of red, one big circle of black and one small circle. Now what you have to do, you will take the red one and you will fold it into halves. Okay, like this. You will press it gently. Okay, both the circles of red color like this. And you have to now paste it here on this. Okay, like this. Okay, you will leave the black space between a little bit. You will apply the glue here and you will paste it like this. You will join both this from the top and it will be wide from the bottom. Okay, like this. Now paste it children. Now see, very nice. Now I have pasted this. Okay, it is the wing. These are the wings. Okay, now what you have to do, now you will attach this face. You will attach the face from the back side like this. Okay, apply a little bit glue here like this and attach the face like this. Good. Now this is ready. Good. Now what you have to do, here both the eyes you will paste. Okay, now paste it. Apply glue like this. Okay, good. Now paste it. Okay children, see, this is now half done. Okay, now keep it for dry. Okay, now by the time what you have to do, the black sheet, now cut the thin strip like this. Okay, good. Now see this, very thin. Now fold it and cut it into two. Okay, now we will make the antennas of the ladybird. Okay, 2 you have got. You will roll it from this side a little bit like this. Okay, and you will apply glue here and you will paste it. Okay, now our ladybug is dry. Okay, you will paste it from the back side. You will apply glue like this and you will paste the antennas of the ladybug like this. Okay children, see like this. And now what you have to do, we will do the painting now. Okay, as you have seen the earbud, you will do the earbud impression with the black color because it has a spot black color. You will dip this in the black color and you will randomly you will do the impression. Okay children, yes, very good, like this. Very nice children. So as you can see, your ladybug is ready. See how it is looking, it is very beautiful. Okay children, now your ladybug is ready. So now what we will do, this sheet, black sheet is left with you. Okay, now we will cut a strip to make the strip for the bookmark. Okay, so you will, with the help of scissor, you will take out this portion. Okay, and what you have to do, you will fold it. Okay, like this. You know this folding? Yes. Do you know why I am folding it? Yes, to make it thick. And here you will apply glue and you will paste it like this. Okay, paste it. So children, see, I have pasted and now you will fold it from here. Okay, and you will paste it here. Okay, now paste it like this. So now see children, it is pasted now. So now your bookmark is ready. You will keep it for some time to dry. Now this is my vocabulary book. What is the use of this? Suppose that you are reading this page, so you can place it like this. At the last page you will put this portion and here you will put this portion. So this is the use of bookmark. Okay, now whenever you will read this book, you can use your own handmade bookmark, okay, which we have made very nicely. Okay children, I hope you like this insect ladybug, okay, bookmark. Make it on your own. Okay children, bye, have a nice day.